Hi, I'm Jo and we are back here in Scotland and on the boat. So we got here on Monday, we drove up and we came straight to the boat and started to get everything sorted. And then yesterday we got launched and then spent the rest of the day in the heat trying to get everything ready before we set off. We finally left RB Marine about 6:30, I think it was, in the evening. And we motored all the way over here to Loch Goil and we picked up a visitor's mooring at Carrick Castle and we spent the night here. And so yesterday it was pretty hectic for us and it was so hot, so we decided that today we're actually going to have a chill day, finish getting the boat set up because we still got a few things to do. And so we're just going to stay here at Carrick Castle, go for a walk a bit later, but the weather is so much nicer in terms of temperature for us because yesterday it was a scorcher and despite wearing sun cream I think we both still got sunburnt. So yeah, it's a bit of a chill one today. But yeah, so glad to be up here again and yeah, out on the water. So yeah, we will see what this trip brings. Terry, 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 Terry. Now the evening, as you may tell, so the weather did get a lot nicer today, so we did chill out on the boat because it got really hot. Sky didn't go swim. Tim went swimming. Sky did a bit this morning. Yeah, so we just come over just for an evening walk when it's a bit cooler and a more suitable temperature to walk at. And also we're going to use the facilities. Yeah, but that is it really for today. Tomorrow we are heading off to Port Bannatyne. That is the aim anyway. So yeah, we will check back in tomorrow. Also, for those of you that know me, I do bruise like a peach, and this is no exception. This is Skylar bashed into my leg this morning with her life jacket on, and look at it already. Lovely. Next time we leave Carrick Castle and head to Port Bannatyne on the Isle of Bute. Tim catches some fish and we go sailing.